everybody, I'm going to show you our new drift car skyline. First, I'm going to show you this.
What is it?
RC car.
It's an RC car. What car is it?
A skyline.
Yeah, show us a look at the box. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, we put it down and we open it up.
Yeah.
Show us the front of it.
Yep.
What kind of writing is that?
Your family. First off, we have some bland that, and we have some
What's that?
this.
What is it?
This is the remote, and we have the remote for the car. Sick one, right? This one's sicker than the ones at the other places.
What's that?
The car. Take this thing. Oh, Jesus. It's an R34 Gtr, and it actually goes very fast. And we have some tools and the wire and whoa, I can open these with them. Just take everything out. A spike.
Is it on?
Yep.
Right, show us. Oh my god, it looks better already, doesn't it?
Yep. And we have these.
What's in it? The mirrors?
Yeah.
And the wipers? Everything else. So I think we should maybe put it on charge for a few minutes.
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, let's do that.
So, I'm going to click this in. Then, put the battery back in. Put this. I'm just going to charge it and then I'm going to wait for a few minutes and then I'll show you my drifting and then this. It's going.
It's going to be cool.
Yep.
We also have to get batteries for the remote control.
Yep.
Right, so let's put this on charge for a few minutes.
Okay, the car's charged and it goes left, right, left, right. Left, right.
You can turn on the lights, can you? Show me.
Then slow motion, fast motion. I show you how I drift.
Go and do some donuts.
My skyline. If you want one, just hit the link at the bottom.